Soft light breaks through tangled green, paths once hidden now are seen. Footsteps move from shadowed ground toward a world both wide and sound. Behind them lies a life of roots, simple ways and quiet truths. Ahead awaits something yet unknown, a place where they can stand alone. This is where the journey starts, leaving woods with open hearts, crossing from the wild and deep into promises they seek. Courage grows with every stride, guided by a spark inside, stepping out to something new, trusting change to lead them through. Branches whisper one last call as they walk beyond the wall. Memories of familiar ways fade into the growing haze. Every step brings brighter view, ideas rising fresh and new. What was once a sheltered place gives way to a wider space. This is where the journey starts, leaving woods with open hearts, crossing from the wild and deep into promises they seek. Courage grows with every stride, guided by a spark inside, stepping out to something new, trusting change to lead them through.